One that I like that we're adding with this new version of the application is vulnerability management. So you might have an IT security team that tracks it and resolves vulnerabilities on devices. Lansweeper today actually is tracking vulnerabilities to devices. So for us, it just made sense to make that information available in JSM. But we had a thought. Instead of just giving people the ability to see a vulnerability, what if we gave you the ability to create issues to remediate those vulnerabilities? So for instance, if we go back to our object schema and look at our vulnerabilities, here's a list of all the vulnerabilities that we have discovered from Lansweeper. As I look at these vulnerabilities, I can get more information about them. I can see more details like the risk score, the severity. I can even see what asset objects are associated to the vulnerability, so I know what devices are going to be impacted by this. So similar to my software catalog, we've also added a remediate attribute here, where as an IT security analyst or other authorized user, I could come here, go to the field, and mark this as true. That means I want to remediate this. I want somebody in IT security or IT server ops or wherever is going to resolve it to address these 53 devices and get them compliant. So by making that one change, we're going to take advantage of Atlassian's automations. We're going to use an automation rule to pick up that this asset changed from null to true, and then we're going to create an issue in Jira Service Management to automate the remediation. So if I go back to my queues, let's go back over to queues, we'll go to our vulnerabilities. It looks like we did. We've got our vulnerability logged here. So here we can see the automation rule doing its magic. We can see that it's listed all those devices to be remediated. So I can see line by line all the different assets that need to be patched or updated as part of this vulnerability. If we scroll down, we can actually see those linked objects as well. Now, through automations, you've got a lot of options and power here. You've got the ability to create individual subtasks for each device. You've got the ability to create linked issues, or you can do what I did here and just have them dumped in the description field as well as a list of the associated objects here. What's great about Lansweeper is it's always discovering, and each time it's synchronized with JSM, if you did choose to do linked issues, you could have those linked issues closed through automation if you notice that those machines are no longer a part of the vulnerability. So you might have other teams that are not seeing the issue or updating the issue, but are working on the patching. That would ensure that the system in Jira is always updated based on the latest scans from Lansweeper as we synchronize over to Jira Service Management. So whether you're manually updating them or using automations to update them, your records in Jira are always going to be up to date with Lansweeper's data. So this is a good example of letting your IT security team track the remediation work for all your active vulnerabilities.